today's episode will be not done by me because this is above my skills. Yeah, so we're going to repair the AC, right, the aircon, because it has been giving us a lot of problems, and actually there's only one problem. It's not blowing cold air, so and especially with the heat wave, you know, in a lot of countries recently. Yeah, so we are having like 37, 38 degrees Celsius weather. Yeah, so right now we are actually going in right now. So we're going to repair the AC and we're going to show you a bit here and there on the repair. Right, so let's go. Alright, so right now we just reached the shop and we're gonna fix it. So the shop owner is super early, yeah, and he saw our car outside, so he was like, you know, just open the door and chit chat. Yeah, so he asked me the problems and all this, and I told him, and most likely we'll be putting the car here, yeah, for him to do. And for the time being, right, we will actually take some videos here and there, okay, to show you part of the repair. A very traditional shop with a lot of parts. We are checking the pressure to see if there's I think there's a leak in the system, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, because in order for them to do some action on the car, right, it's better to get it checked first before, you know, getting things done, in case it is a different thing we are looking at. We have been using this car without the AC for about, I think, 2 weeks. Yeah, and it is crazy, especially in Singapore's weather. And we're talking about, you know, every day is like 30 plus degrees Celsius, and when it rains, right, the problem is when you open the window, sometimes the rainwater will go in. So it is another problem as well. Alright, so this is the low pressure, this is the high pressure. Yeah, I know a bit of stuff here and there, okay, but I'm not good enough to, you know, try this on my own. Alright, so the compressor is all the way down here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so it actually says the wire short circuit. Right, so the mechanic actually took a quick look and he said, you know, the wire looks okay. Yep, so what could be the problem? Yeah. So I think he's going to remove this whole thing in a while's time, and we'll see after that. Alright, so this is interesting. It actually says no refrigerant. So maybe the compressor is okay, but it's just low on refrigerant. Wow, this could be you know, a 15-minute or 30-minute fix then. Alright, so we actually checked with the mechanic. Okay, no refrigerant. Okay, it's not because the car has no refrigerant. He actually pumped everything out from the car already. So I believe they have to remove all the gas, right? Okay, in order to work on the car. And right now he is checking the compressor. So I just checked with the mechanic. Okay, you have to remove this whole fan assembly, okay, before you take it out, because he has to come out from the top, not from the bottom. Yeah, and he was underneath the car just now to remove one screw. He has to remove one screw from the bottom, and you know, the rest will be on the top. So right now he's trying to disassemble the front end over here, because this will give him more access. Yeah, because over here, right, as you can see, there's a big fan. Yeah, so these are some of the things that you'll have to remove. Yeah, and there's the cheeky compressor over there that's giving us all the problems. Some of the cover is out already, so we're gonna take out the fan. Alright, so as you can see, the fan is already out, so there's more place to access the compressor, which is over there. Yeah, let me zoom in. Yeah, so right now the mechanic is going to remove it soon. Alright, so as you can see, it is almost out already. Yeah, so this is the final steps of removing the compressor. For those of you who are thinking of DIYing this, okay, better think twice. It doesn't look that easy. Thank God I came here today. I don't think I'll be able to do it on myself. Alright, so this is the old compressor. This is the new one. Yeah, links to the items will be in the description down below. Yeah, so upon some inspection, this wire seems a little weird. Let me zoom it in for you. So you can see over here. Yeah, the mechanic was telling me, okay, they were using certain environmental friendly materials for this wire. Yeah, so it's a common thing for beamers. Yeah, so if yours has a similar issue, then you can check it out over here. For 2 weeks, oh my!
Oh my god, it's working!
Check out all the fans that we have got.
Where's the other one? The white fan?
There's even a big fan, and there's the rear.
There's over here. Oh my god. Finally!
Cooler back as well. Alright, so if you look carefully, it is spinning. Yeah, previously it was not spinning, it was not engaging the clutch. Yeah, so right now it is back to its normal position. Now here is checking the temperature. As you can see, it is blowing ice cold. Yeah, it's ridiculous. How cold is it? Alright guys, check out the temperature. I think it's really getting very cold, which is good for us. I'm not sure if you can see this, guys. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculously good. Yeah, so they're taking the temperature now from the car. It is still going down. That means it is really very, very cold. Alright, so the amount of refrigerant, as you can see, is 0.85 kilograms. Okay, and if you check it on the bonnet, right, so for those of you who are unsure how much refrigerant you need, okay, you can check on the bonnet. So ours is 850 plus minus 10 grams, so it is spot on. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the whole video. As you can see, the aircon issue is finally fixed. Yeah, and it is really so cool, the aircon, and you know, I mean, we need aircon in this part of the in this part of the world, you know. Yep, so guys, I will drop down in the links down below of this fantastic guy. Okay, do check him out, right? And you guys won't regret. Alright guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, because we'll have a lot of good lobangs, you know, good deals for you guys as well. Yeah, alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy morning and repairing your car. Bye bye.